I'm going to use this to clean my retainer in just a second. It's disgusting and it needs to be cleaned. But we've got this amazing Ototonyo UV cleaner for, you can clean all sorts of things, from, including jewelry with this. But what this is mostly going to be used for by most people is for dentures, your retainer, maybe like a mouth guard, anything that you put in your mouth like that. So I'm going to clean my retainer in just a second. But as you can see, it's nice and compact, very small. You basically just plug this into the wall. I'll do that in a second. But you fill this up with water. There's a little line that shows you how much water to fill to. And you just turn it on. 3 minutes later, it's clean. So it uses this amazing UV sterilization technology. And it gets the job done. So let's do it. All right, so I'm just going to fill the water to the line in here. And that should be about good. And that is good. So it's to the line. And now I'm just going to drop my retainer into the water. I'm going to close it up. Hit the button. And there it goes. So it's using the technology, getting it clean. 3 minutes from now, it's going to be all good. And it has just shut off, which means we're good to go. And there's the retainer. Amazing. Got the job done. We're good. Highly recommend.